bigger. A Black Cat Called Pink story. Created by Pink. Pink was a tiny, tiny kitten who drank from a bottle. She had her bottom cleaned with cotton wool, and sometimes Rosie the dog helped too. Pink drank lots and lots of milk and grew bigger and bigger and bigger. Pink didn't think she was a cat. She wasn't sure what she was. She a dog or a butterfly?
Pink sat on the front step of her house all day, greeting anyone who walked by. Pink started collecting leaves and leaving them on her doorstep. The pile grew bigger and bigger and bigger until Pink could not be seen. Can you see her? Pink then decided to collect wood and leave it on her doorstep. The pile grew bigger and bigger and bigger until Pink could not be seen. Can you see her? On the hunt for wood and leaves, Pink found a bag of cat treats. Yum. Pink then put them with her leaves and wood. And her smile grew bigger and bigger and bigger. The end. Did you enjoy that?